I'm in Lisbon suite, one of 18 suites. This is number 2107 at the Corinthia, Lisbon. And they're taking their inspiration from the viaduct there with those marvelous arches. And when we look around, we can see that there's a desk in the corner of the bedroom with USBs, and we've got a lovely big bed head. This is a very practical suite. You've got water in the pull-outs by the bedside. Walk through the closet, easy see safe, to get to the bathroom. And the bathroom, blessing, has small toiletries. They're S-bar, really high quality, and super bath salts to go in the bath. And the bath is low-sided, which means that it's easy to get out of, but you can also pull yourself up on the controls. Now, we've got arches again on the carpet. They've really taken this arches theme very cleverly through. We've got arches on the carpet. We've got arches on this closet that opens to reveal the entertainment centre. Brilliant. And goodness gracious, we've got a very sad looking woman on the wall there, and some nice bright green on another wall. And I do like the fact that there's a little bonsai there, greenery, but long lasting, and a book on Lisbon and its past. And here, by this marvelous daybed, we've got another view of the viaduct, the arches inspiring this suite, 2107.